building speakers is science. It's rocket science. Didn't understand it. So I looked it up. It's all about volume. Like the volume of the box. But also this was a bass reflex speaker. So it had a little hole in the back, like plastic insert, to have more bass. When I'm going to use that, we could make... I tried to make one of, like this one, the same volume as like one speaker. So what are we going to do now? Are we going to make this one good? Or are we going to make one thing with the volume of 2 speakers because I got 2 speakers? That's the thing now.
What's your answer?
That was a question to you.
Oh, to me?
Yeah.
I see. You might answer.
I say I don't know anything.
Okay, 2 speakers. Like the volume of 2.
Okay, in this box we gotta fit this new Bluetooth port I bought on Amazon. And also, how are we going to attach that? Let's make a visualization. What happened here? Was there another build? You should check out, absolutely.
And now we're going to upload this one first.
We should do that.
Yeah.
The outer edges are not would be the speaker. So we could do that. Like that?
Yeah. Sure. Don't know. Like I wouldn't put it too far down that that doesn't have much grip. So
let's go for a centimeter. How am I going to mark this that they're perfectly accurate? I need to make more lines. It looks symmetrical. So now with everything, yeah, that's it.
nice.
Now we just need to make that one, that hole. You want
I want this in the front, like where the speakers come out, and that in the back.
that in the back? Okay, so let's maybe try to cut this one first.
Mm-hmm.
Also cut the back side. Should we also do the sides as well? Yeah, to get everything done.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you do that.
We accurately cut the things because his measurements.
Shut up!
Yeah.
But, you know, we want to put one there, but I think there's one layer too much in there, right around here, you know?
I can't see it. Please point at it very specifically.
There. Yeah, we can work with that now. Maybe we'll put some little foot under here. We should grind the sides now. Like, sides we can't get to when it's assembled. That do be a banana. We're not going to complain, because complaining is not good.
But then why do you always complain about me? If you say complaining is no good.
Sometimes complaining is good. So, you're gonna make posts on the inside.
2 centimeter posts because otherwise interfere with 1.5 centimeter posts.
Yep. Split this in half and make it 25, right? Yeah, make it 25 long. We're going to attach that to that now.
Crack.
That's a good, nice bond. You also gotta make holes. If you wanna do this professionally, you probably want a hole saw. Nope. Still some sanding work to do. You want the things to be right here, right?
Yeah, like I would say on this line.
5.84, so 6.
to me this looks like the same width as this, or almost the same.
I know. That's what I hope for, that you can reach them, stay good enough.
Like,
then we gotta make a slot in the back. Make a slot here. Get out the router and yeah, that's good.
yeah.
Put some nice knobs on there. Something. You know what we can also do?
No, but you're going to tell me.
Put a hole, make a hole into here and screw it from. Now we should make support from below. So you don't need to record that part. You already saw it.
Yeah, true. I mean, what prevents us from just going below the thing, like right here?
We're going to do it from below. So every time I have to lift it up and pull off the battery. Small inconvenience, but who cares? We have checked if it clears the speaker. Quentin is now going to make another box. And I'm going to continue working on here. News. I added that. I drilled those holes bigger. Like 1 millimeter bigger. Hope that doesn't short out anything. Yeah, it's now on. Secured with 2 triangles. Quentin did that. We are going. It fits barely, so we're going to cut this one out on the back side. Yep, it's just down there.
Just hammer it one, yeah. Now we can be sure that's airtight.
How are we going to secure it?
Via the ground, even though I mean that is maybe the only thing. Maybe glue it like
Yeah, the ground will be enough. Yeah, I wanted to glue the inside completely with silicone.
yeah. So that's already a little bit of support, and then
Yep.
with the grounds, so just cut out like literally this.
I would say we attach these two together now. Then start wiring everything up.
We need to remember to put a hole in here, like up top here.
Oh yeah.
Let's just see if we struck iron. Or aluminium in this case.
It's probably not aluminium.
Can you see something?
I can see nothing.
Do we need light, John?
Nah. Let's call it a day.
Okay. Say goodbye.
Story time. What happened?
So, we drove here. Daniel noticed that his feet was shaking more than usual.
It was like.
So we stepped out, looked at the wheel, and someone sabotaged my wheel and put a screw, or what's a screw? I think it's a screw, right?
Screw.
Yeah. A screw right in my tire. And my suspicions are, yesterday I was here at Daniel's place and was working with Daniel. Up until then, nothing had happened to my wheel. The next day though, when I come back, that is when it occurs. My suspicions are clear.
That minus. That's plus. This is solid. Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
This works good. Okay, let's find some screws. Yeah, it works.
Nice.
I don't like that this in the middle is still a little bit flexible. This is not good if the thing would start to vibrate. So maybe just put a little piece of wood right here to screw it from the bottom and from the side. This is dirty.
We just have a final product ready. And be like,
Like all kitchen shows.
yeah. Like, yeah, so now we're done. This is our final project.
So this is a 40-minute recipe. And like after 20 minutes it whips out. Yeah, I leave that one in the freezer because it has the rest for a full day.
But can you answer me why you need to make it airtight?
I googled how to make a Bluetooth speaker, and there should be airtight.
Okay. You know, I am completely in awe of your techniques.
Okay, after a small drinking pause, we smooched everything here up with silicone, except the stuff where we couldn't get to, like the top. So we're going to add another terminal for when the box doesn't need a battery. You can't connect this one while the battery's in, because there's no charging circuit and it could explode the battery. We got a problem.
This is square.
Yeah, and the way I thought it. You can make a plate around here, screw it in, then make here a bigger hole. I have silicone all over my fingers, I hate it.
I can tell. But I don't know how that happened.
I connect this one here. Multimeter. Continuity. And this one is plus, this one is minus. Okay. We finished the cable stuff. You wanna build it yourself. Leave a little bit more slack, but seems all to be working. And remember, going to make something on here. Don't put that one in together, because that one will explode that one.
Like this.
Put in the speakers. Right there. Machine screws and big washers. Buckle up, buddy. I tested, everything works. Bass, treble, everything is alright. Connection is alright. Now going to make that. Put those cables together. Stuff them somewhere down there. Same on that side, and then see you when the thing goes, when the top part goes on. Yeah, so I put a few of those into this post. By the way, if you do this post, don't do this out of softwood. You know, that's the reason why nothing is gripping, and that one had to be glued in. But yeah, I used that to get them in. Sadly, I can't show that stuff because I can do that stuff one-handed while filming. Now I'm going to put that one on top, align it, mark those out, and drill a hole through that so we can use a machine bolt to screw that down to be able to access this. Nice. I just put the speaker together for the final time. Made a handle, put it on top, screws on bottom, 2 on each side, pretty stiff. Put some nice spray paint on the sides to make it look better, I guess. I was thinking about maybe removing those lines, but I think I like them. Adds a little bit to the design. There should be some caps for those around here, like plastic ones that came with the kit. Not sure if we're going to use them. Also, I'm not sure if this will stay because the is it a processor? I don't know, but the chip on the SoC in there is getting pretty warm if you blast out loud music. So I'll watch that and maybe do an update. Maybe we'll put maybe a double ground between here and there, like one to isolate everything, because you can really feel like when everything is closed up, when you press down on it, how the bass is more coming out of here when it's not 100% enclosed, how the air is escaping on the sides. Not on any of the glued stuff, so that's kind of good. But yeah, this is how it looks currently, front and back. Kind of like the design. Wanted to go for something modern, I think. I don't know. But yeah, that's about it.